All right, everyone. So this is Wolf, for those of you who didn't get to meet him. He is a collie. He's a pretty big dog, and I heard that you all wanted to maybe see a closer up picture of him. So there you go. Uh, he loves PE. It's his favorite subject in school, right? In doggy school. And no, don't be shy. And today he wanted to share with all of you that we're gonna play a pretty fun game, and we're gonna do a workout with some canned food, and you'll see kind of what that's about. But he just wanted to say hi and that he's excited to see all of you, and he wants us to have a great PE day today. So say bye, Wolf. All right.